Merry Christmas Eve. I want to show you guys that my package came in, and this is what I was trying to create with all of my papers, but I couldn't do it myself. So it's one of those explosion boxes where like you open it up and it explodes and you see all the pictures. So we're going to create this today. I honestly thought it wasn't going to come in until 10 p.m. but now I can show you guys. It's going to be what are you doing? You look like you're mad dogging everything. I'll show you guys. I went to CVS yesterday and I got a whole bunch of prints of me and Cody, and what I'm going to do is just stick these on there with some sweet sayings and just like memories and stuff like that. And now that I completely botched this, because see, as you can see, I was trying to make an explosion box. I'll actually just use these as backgrounds to the pictures, so I'm very excited. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and then work on this box. Y'all, this is the mayhem that is Cody's gift. So I already started doing some of it and like writing stuff. It's really cute, and these all open up into little other things. I'll show you guys these like once I'm done, but see, like these little slots have other little things inside that you can put, and it's just really cute. It's just a lot of work. What'd you get, babe? Hurry up! Whoa. Oh, that's cool! That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Talk about how Cody got me the Grinch wrapping paper with Smoshy Girl's face. I don't even want to rip this up. It's so cute. This is one of my sentimental gifts to you. Oh, I think it's already open, babe. Yeah. Okay, don't break it. Fuck.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Look.
Stop it.
It's Ayla and Poncho and me and you.
Stop it.
Is it cute? Do you like it? Hello, my beautiful people. Merry Christmas. Today is actual Christmas Day. I woke up with a freaking cold sore, which is just... They always come at the most inconvenient time, but I think the most annoying part of it is like I haven't even been like stressed or anything, you know what I mean? I've been chilling, and somehow I still got one. It looks worse than it is because I put medicine on it, but I hate it. I hate it. So here are, well, maybe I should go natural lighting for you guys. Just show you guys my makeup really quick. Here's what it's looking like. Outfit, little satin skirt. I'll actually show you guys in the mirror. So here's what we're working with. We got a little satin skirt. Definitely not the slides and the socks. I'm gonna do little boots, but it's the skirt with the little sweater. I really like this. I'm just still debating if I want to wear this because it's actually really cold, but we'll see. If not, there's the outfit. If I change it, I'll show you guys that. So right now we just made it to Texas. We're gonna surprise my brother for Christmas. There's my cold sore again. I'll just look at you guys from this side. He has no idea we're coming. We're gonna bring him tamales and Christmas presents, and it's gonna be exciting. I'll show you guys his reaction when we get there. We are arriving on base to Fort Bliss.
Oh, this is the other end.
Where he's stationed.
I think the other one was closed. It looked like the road that you took last time.
Merry Christmas!
Did you see it? We surprised you for Christmas. I love my tag. I'll flip it. Now I can turn it up.
We got the whole reaction on camera.
So we have officially spent our whole day out here in Texas. First time ever. We pretty much stayed on base, but now we're out and about. There's too many people. It's kind of scary. But look at all the lights. So cool. So cute. But yeah, here is everyone. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Ayla was such a good girl with her Dia Sunshine that she gets a puppuccino. Ayla girl. Ayla girl. Yeah, for you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, puppuccino. Oh, Ayla, no, no, no. Oh, baby. It's on her nose. Baby girl. Okay, so I, again, didn't do an ending to this last video, so here I am. Today is the 30th? No, the 29th. My bad. Today's the 29th. I'm back home. I need to unpack all my stuff. Still have my cold sore this time. It's basically gone, but I literally ripped off skin because I'm a dumbass, so then it bled everywhere. So now I just have blood, and now I need to replace my medicine with Neosporin to, you know, just help save this. So we're only gonna look at you from this side because I'm ugly and I choked on my own spit. Whew, I'm a good time, aren't I? Basically, do you guys like that sideways drinking? I'm gonna give you guys a lowdown of what was done today. I just remembered I need to take my medicine. So basically what happened was I was just enjoying my time with family Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So I didn't really get to record much, but it was a really good time. We played games, we got to see family, and I couldn't have asked for anything better. Especially because like with the craziness of the pandemic, you know, obviously holidays haven't felt the same this year. It's really sketch to go around your family just because like for me especially, like I know I don't really do anything that would put me in danger like that, but I do travel for work. I do have to go on site today. I went to 2 different businesses, and you know I have to be around people, and I don't know if those people are being safe. I know I'm doing everything I can to be safe, wearing my mask, washing my hands, using my sanitizer, all of that, but you just never know. You know what I mean? Especially with how crazy things have been, you just don't know. And so it is scary to like want to see your family. Like obviously I want to see my family, I want to spend time with them, but I have to keep that in the back of my mind that like I am around people, and you know I am exposed to different environments. So I always get tested before I see my family, and then after I get tested I try not to do anything or go anywhere, and that way I know that like I'm being safe and I am not bringing any kind of craziness to them, even though you know there's so much that can happen. I'm not going to get into all of it because I don't think we need to add that stress on people. Be aware, do your research, and understand there are incubation periods. There are ways that you can be exposed to it and not have symptoms. You know, there's just a lot of stuff that can happen, but I don't want to come and bring that in, especially during this video, because this was my Christmas time with my family and I want to enjoy that, and I want you guys to enjoy that and know that it was special. And something that I've kind of noticed with myself is that like when I'm filming things, it's hard for me to show you guys everything that's going on, because a lot of times I would rather just be present. I would rather be in that moment and be present, and you know, taking my phone out or taking my camera out and recording stuff while I'm trying to have like this great time with my family isn't always the most fun or ideal thing, you know what I mean? I'd rather just be sitting there and spending time with them. So that's why there's not a lot of clips. And hold on guys, bam, let's talk about good lighting. I literally got these from Cody for Christmas. That's Heart put me on. I saw her posting about it and I put it on my Christmas and birthday list, and Cody got it for Christmas. But look at this. Ooh. Now I don't have to like carry around my big ring light everywhere I go. I can just use these. They're portable, they're little. It's so great. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. That's why I put it on really quick. But basically what I was saying is I'm just very, very grateful and very, very fortunate that I got to see my family during this crazy time. I'm very fortunate that like the people in my immediate family are doing okay and, you know, staying as healthy as they possibly can, and we were able to still enjoy things like Christmas together, and I will never ever take that for granted. I think it's beautiful, amazing, and I am so grateful that one, I wake up every day and, you know, I'm healthy, I still have a job, things are going okay. I'm grateful that my family's doing okay, and that's something that like means more to me than all the gifts in the world for Christmas. But I am just so happy that, you know, we were able to experience that together and share that. Can't tell if Steph's home. But anyway, that being said, because my brother was unable to come down for Christmas because of the numbers in Arizona, we decided we were going to surprise him. And it was honestly so awesome. Like, I haven't seen my brother since February before he left out to basic. And he's out and stationed in Texas. So we were like, you know what? Let's just bring Christmas to him. Let's bring him some tamales, some food, and all his Christmas presents, and just, you know, try to make it special for him. And we completely surprised him. He said we made his day, which was seriously so freaking amazing to me, because my brother's not one to like express his feelings a lot. He suppresses a lot of his feelings. So for him to like be open enough with me to be like, yo, that meant a lot to me, meant so much to me. Like, I'm really glad that we were able to go out there and just spend time with him. It was literally a turnaround trip. We drove up Saturday morning after Christmas, literally left at like 5:30 in the morning, got there, surprised him, spent the entire day with him, and then we were out by 6:30 in the morning Sunday, because I had to drive back to San Diego Sunday night, because I had to drive up to Corona, California for a client on Monday. Had I not had like a client on site, I probably wouldn't have come back until Monday, but that's not how my job works out. So I had to do a whole bunch of driving. Yesterday I passed out so early because of it. But yeah, that's pretty much what it was. So sorry that this vlog's kind of short and most of it's me talking at the end. That's pretty much what it was. We had a lot of time with our family for Christmas, so I was kind of more invested in being present and being there with my family than I was recording it all. And then obviously like spending time with my brother, I was again more invested in that than I was recording video of everything that we did together. So that's why this one's kind of short, and that's why it's mostly me talking. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for sticking with me this entire Vlogmas. I can't believe that I actually succeeded in doing Vlogmas this year. I always try and I always get so like, I don't know, thrown off. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work to record every single day and then edit every single night and then post every single day. You know what I mean? Which is why a lot of them, because how boring my life is, it's literally work Monday through Friday. A lot of it was like a couple days mixed into one, but whenever I did have a chance to do something big that I wanted to share with you guys, they were their own video. So I'm like super proud of myself that this year I was able to accomplish Vlogmas. Like, I've tried so many years. You guys have no idea. I've tried so many years and I just could never do it. And so I'm really proud of myself that like I did it, one, but also I'm really happy that you guys are still here watching. I know that my Vlogmas videos didn't really get a whole lot of views, which is fine. Like, one, I didn't really post about it on other social media, maybe like once or twice on Instagram. I was like, hey, I'm doing Vlogmas, but I didn't like promote it like I usually do. So those of you who did find it and did watch it, thank you so much. It seriously means the absolute world to me. You guys mean the world to me. And again, like, that's why I'm still here. That's why I still do videos. And I'm glad that it kind of showed me that like I don't have to have these like perfect quality videos for you guys to watch. Like, sometimes you guys just want to know what's going on in my life, and I really love that and I appreciate that, and you guys are incredible. So I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. My phone decided to run out of space while I was recording, so that's great. Let me just finish it up super quick. What I was saying was, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas if you guys celebrated. If you don't, I hope that you enjoyed any time off just to be with your family or be with yourself, and, you know, do what you gotta do to feel good and bring yourself some sense of peace during all this craziness. I cannot wait to go into the new year and be a better person than I was this year and continue to grow as a person. And that's kind of going to be my biggest thing for 2021. Is 2020 has taught me a lot about gratitude. It's taught me a lot about myself, and it's taught me a lot about, you know, making time for the things that are important and the people that are important. So I'm going to go into 2021 with that mindset and continue to grow as a person. And now that I know I can do Vlogmas every day, I hope you guys will continue to grow on that journey with me as I try to vlog my life, not daily, but when there's important things to vlog. So thank you guys so much. Oh, and I will also be cooking a lot more. I've got a lot of comments about the cooking. I will definitely be cooking, showing you guys some recipes, and just you know, making it a good old channel to come to. I have a lot of updates on things, braces, PCOS, things like that, macros, working out. I'm trying to get all that stuff planned out. I have some time off this coming weekend. Hopefully we can get that stuff planned. Hopefully I can cover this. And yeah, that's that. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.